Remedies: while maintaining and standing, bend forward from hip level. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Lie down on your back and raise your head and leg simultaneously for 10 times. Hal asana should be performed regularly. You should lie down in spine position on your back, then should raise your leg at 40-degree angle. These are the various remedies that we can perform. Toe touching exercise should be done at least 10 times. Touching your toes by both hands, raise your both hands and touching. Sit down and extend your legs forward. Try to bring your knees to touch your forehead. Repeat this exercise 10 times. These are the various remedies for with the help of these we can prevent common postural deformities disease like lordosis. Scoliosis, scoliosis, postural adaptation of spine in lateral direction is called scoliosis. In fact, these are sideways curves and may be called scoliotic curves. It indeed these curves are identified as either convexity, right or right convexity, a simple or single curve to the left of convexity. Left is commonly called a C curve. Scoliotic curve may be found in S shape. Causes of scoliosis may due many reasons, but the main reason are disease in the joints of bones, underdeveloped legs, infantile paralysis, rickets, carrying heavy load on shoulder, unhealthy conditions such as inadequate lighting arrangement, uncomfortable desk, partial deafness, and wrong standing posture. It may caused by congenital or acquired abnormalities of vertebrae, muscles, or nerves. Next heading is knock knees. Knock knees. Knock knees is one of the major postural deformities. In this deformity, both the knees knock or touch each other. You can see the diagram we are talking here. The gap between the ankles goes on increasing in ankles. Why? Because the knees are touching with each other. The position facing difficulty, the individual face difficulty in walking and running. Why? Because for a proper running and walking, there should be a gap between the knees, he cannot walk or run in a proper manner. Owing to these deformities, people cannot be good player and may not be selected in defense services. Why in defense services? Important question arise because in defense you need a physically fit person, and in defense or in army we have to carry a load for a distance, causes generally the lack of balanced diet, especially vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus is the main cause of knock knees. It may also be caused due to rickets. Causes, especially vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus. It may also be caused due to rickets, a deficiency of calcium in child. Chronic illness, obesity, flat food, and carrying heavy weight in early age may be other possible cause of knock knees. Precaution: knock knees. These are the major causes: vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus is the main cause of knock knees. It also may cause due to rickets. It rickets, chronic illness, obesity, carrying heavy weight in early age. Precaution: what precaution should we take? Balanced diet should be taken. Student, you should know that balanced diet is very important. Babies should not be forced or encouraged to walk at early age. Why? Because at that time they are developing their skeletal system as well as muscles power. If we will overburden them, it will cause up all the weight will be in knees, and it will cause the problem of knock knees. Remedies to rectify or treat this deformity. This is deformities of bones we are talking here about. The following point should be taken in consideration. Horse riding is the best exercise for remedying this deformity. Performing Padasana and Gromukasana regular for sometimes every day. Cod liver oil. The cod is the name of a fish. Liver oil may be beneficial in reducing this deformity up to some extent. Keep a pillow between keep a pillow between the knees and stand erect for sometimes every day. Children, you have to perform this exercise if you are suffering from knock knees. For or those students or a child or a person who are suffering from knock knees, these they can do. Padam asana is very important. Use of walking caliper may also be beneficial. Horse riding is the best exercise because while riding a horse, our knees are apart away from each other, and if you had observed the shape and size of the structure of horse, that is, when we hang our legs, we feel the shape of that horse is the body or a skeleton system, rib cage especially, is like a she shape. So it is very important and one of the recreational activity you will have, and along with exercise you can do it. These are the remedies related to knock knees. And students, this is deformities of bones. What is this? This is deformities of bones. In a couple of lectures before, we had came to know about flat footed. What is flat footed? And causes of flat foot is, the main cause of flat foot is weak muscles. And it second point is rapid increase in body weight, improper shoes and carrying heavy weight for a longer period are also the cause of flat footed. And students, obesity play an important role. Obesity play an important role in causing deformities of bones because it the body is overweighted. Due to overweight, the pressure is on our bones, on our skeleton system. While lifting heavy weight, knock knees are there. Knock knees, the causes is due to vitamin D, lack of vitamin D in our balanced diet, calcium and phosphorus is the main cause of knock knees. The remedies, as we know, Gomukh Asana and Padma Asana, while doing regular, is very important, and these are some of the remedies related to knock knees. Good morning, students, class 12th. In a previous class, we had studied about kyphosis, that is related to deformities of bones, and aggression of backbone or posterior curve or decrease reversible or forward curve. That is kyphosis. Today, the heading is lordosis. Lordosis Today we are going to study about lordosis is the inward curvature of spine. In fact, it is an increased forward curve in lumbar region. It creates problem in standing and walking. The body seems to be fit, be stiff. Lordosis can be correct in early stages. What is the problem in lordosis? It creates problems in standing and walking. When we have problem in our back pain, causes causes of lordosis, generally imbalanced diet, proper environment, develop of muscles, improper develop of muscles, obesity and disease affecting affecting vertebrae. In this diagram, we can see how the vertebrae is badly affected by this curve, inward curve, and causes are improper environment, improper development of muscles. Because students, for a better movements of muscles and for better movements of joint, muscles are related with each other and muscles are joined with are various type of joints for the better movement. Suppose for example, if you are playing a cricket, for throwing a ball towards the batsman, you need a big muscles activity along with the help of proper structure of skeleton system also, because in that system along with the rib cage are bones of hands are joined together. In addition to this cause, not performing exercise and eating excessive food are also major cause of lordosis. If we had seen, especially in children, if they are not getting proper food, in proper food, we are talking here about balanced diet food, nutritive value food, or food supplements. Performing exercise and eating excessive food, not eating excessive food are also the major cause of lordosis. Here in this diagram, we can see how badly the vertebrae is affected. Precaution, balanced diet should be taken. Obesity should be kept away, especially in early age. Why obesity? When we are getting fatter and we are increasing our weight, especially in tummy areas, we affect our vertebrae and there is a pressure in our vertebrae also. The body should be kept straight while carrying weight. We had seen, although we had came to know about why the problems of postural deformities happen while lifting heavy weight in early age. Excessive intake of food should be avoided, because why? It will increase our body weight. Remedies: the following exercise should be performed while maintaining and standing position Bend forward from hip level, as sometimes we do in our games period. Raise your hand and touch your toes and go back again. Repeat this exercise 10 times.